Sit. What is your class?
My class is shit.
Okay, sit. In this class we study.
Sir, you now get our exams are around the corner. Can you give me some instruction to how I can prepare for these exams?
Okay, but certainly, but at first get rid of your budget. It's a little distraction.
Okay, sir.
Read your test thoroughly as to how you have all the information while you study.
But sir, I have a problem in memorization.
Oh, instead of learning, try to understand it and try to concentrate on one major then at a time until you grasp it well.
Sir, a few of my friends planning to do group study. Will it be useful?
Just listen because those will help you get prepared for the questions.
Okay, sir. I do it.
If you need anything else, let me know.
Sure, sir.
Sit.